Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn standard 10th science English medium chapter number 4 continue carbon and its compound. So in previous lecture we have to study different functional group and its symbol, structure, all about functional group. Now two types of exercise here: name from compound from structure and name structure from name and name from compound. So first ethanoic acid. So first we can find which functional group? Noic acid. Noic acid means carboxylic acid and carboxylic acid means symbol COOH. So first we can write carboxylic acid functional group COOH. Ethanoic acid, it means ethane. How many carbon of ethane? Methane has one carbon, ethane has two carbon. So one carbon already written down in a functional group. So on the one extra added and valency of carbon is 4. So this carbon 1 completed, 2, 3 and 4 completed by hydrogen. So structure is CH3 COOH, ethanoic acid. Now butanone. Non means which functional group? Non means ketone. Ketone, characteristic of ketone, always connected with middle of chain. So butane. Butane means how many carbon? Methane, ethane, propane, butane and pentane. So butane means methane, ethane, propane, then butane means 4 carbon. So 1 carbon completed by CO functional group. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So remains valency completed by hydrogen. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So structure name is CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. Now bromo and last pairing is ANE. ANE means all are single bond. Bromo means Br. So bromine functional group attached with pentane. All are single bond. Pentane means 5 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And last carbon which functional group attached at anywhere. Bromine means Br. Another valency completed by hydrogen. Carbon have 4 valencies, so completed by hydrogen. So structure is CH3, CH2, 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 Br. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hexanal. Now last pairing is suffix is NaL. NaL means which functional group? Which functional group? Aldehyde. Aldehyde means CHO. CHO. And hexane. Hexane means 6. So 5 power 8 by 1 remains 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So CH3, CH2, 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 CH2. So CH3, CH2, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, CHO. Now name from compound, structure by structure. So Br means bromo, bromo, methane, ethane. So bromo pentane. So here ethane, bromo, ethane. Now how many carbon? 1. 1 carbon means methane and CHO functional group. CHO functional group means null. So answer is methanol. All are single bond, but one bond is triple bond. Triple bond means Y and E. Last spelling is Y and E. And how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 means hexane. So hexane. H-E-X. Last spelling is A-N-E. So hexane. E-N-E means E. Then Y-N-E means triple. Now, chemical properties of carbon compound. So, carbon compound, first chemical property is combustion. Combustion means burning of carbonic compound. So, carbon is a bond easy with oxygen. So, first is carbon is solid state. It means O. In presence of oxygen gas, which gas is produced? CO2 gas produced plus large amount of heat. Heat and light. Large amount of produced heat and light. So generally carbon compound one with oxygen so produce large amount of heat and carbon dioxide. And CO2 is a polluted gas, so pollution in environment. Another example, for example, methane gas. One with carbon, so CO2 presence plus H2O in gaseous state plus also large amount of heat. In first chapter we have to study combustion reaction in chapter number 1. So same example, you can also take this example written down here, both are right. Large amount of heat produced means exothermic reaction and heat absorbed means endothermic reaction. So combustion is a exothermic reaction because large amount of heat will be produced. You can see in your home, for example, LPG gas is a one with a yellow, one with clearly bluish flame. But carbon compound, generally tires, other substance like coke, wood, like one with a yellow reddish flame because these are incomplete combustion and produce CO2 gas to more polluting environment. So now oxidation. Oxidation means catalyst use alkaline KMnO4 catalyst use for oxidation and OH functional group converted into COO functional group. These are for remember. OH means alcohol is converted into COOH means noic acid. It means carboxylic acid. So also this question you can study in chapter number 1. Only for example 2 carbon of alcohols. So Cl3 CH2 OH. Name is 2 carbon means ethane. OH means null. So ethanol. Noic acid 2 carbon noic acid. So one functional group attached, another carbon. One completed 2, 3, 4. So CH3 COOH ethanoic acid. So alcohol converted into noic acid, it means carboxylic acid. This type of reaction is known as oxidation reaction. Now addition reaction. Addition means add some. So here 4 functional group. R means any reactive group. So here in nickel catalyst and H2 presence of H2 gas and nickel catalyst. So use catalyst is a rate of reaction increase. It means minimum time to cover product to reactor. Now product observe here 2 bonds. 2 bond means EN means alkene. Here all are single bond. It means ANE means alkane. So alkene converted into alkene. So alkane means unsaturated hydrocarbon converted into saturated hydrocarbon. This reaction used in addition reaction in a vegetable oils. So in vegetable oils it means unsaturated hydrocarbon chain after catalyst presence converted into saturated hydrocarbons. So this is a addition reaction. Next, substitution reaction. Substitution means one substance substituted by another. So example, methane gas react with Cl group gas. Cl group means chlorine. So here this H and Cl replace another substance is methyl chloride CH3Cl plus HCl, and this reaction is a presence of heat or a light. Presence of light. This reaction use CH4 plus Cl2 gives CH3Cl plus HCl. It means here CH4. C, it means carbon contain 4 hydrogen. So 4 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen is replaced by Cl. So remains 3 hydrogen and 1 is replaced by Cl. So this type of reaction is considered as a substitution reaction. It means total 4 hydrogens plus Cl2. So this Cl attack on this hydrogen, so remove this hydrogen. In place of this hydrogen, CH will attach carbon plus after one Cl is attached here, replace H. So H is here and remains one of Cl combined with HCl, so hydrochloric acid. So this Cl replace any hydrogen out of 4. We can take last hydrogen. So any hydrogen we can take and using substitution reaction. So student, prepare all functional group, its formulas, suffix, then practice more example by itself. Compound to structure, structure to compound, naming. Next topic is chemical properties of carbon compounds. Total 4 property we can learn. Combustion, it means burn. Oxidation, addition reaction, and last substitution reaction. So revise video, all topic clear, understand.